Hi everyone, it's Happy Mail Queen. I'm sharing a Mother's Day card. This is going to my sister, and I'm possibly meeting up with her tomorrow. I won't be able to see her this weekend because she's going to be going to LA and I'm going to be staying home. So anyway, I just wanted to share this card with you guys before I go ahead and give this to her. So what I used is the backyard table, and this is the Recollections paper from Michaels. It's gorgeous. I love this paper. I had to pick it up. So I used a few of the papers. I also used the coordinating sticker book, and this has just a bunch of different stickers. Some of it you have alphas, some of them are for your planner, but it's so pretty. So I used a few stickers. As you can see here, I'm missing a few in the front. I also used the coordinating postcards, and I used this one right here, as well as, did I use another one? Yeah, I know I did. Oh, I think it was from the other, let's see. Yeah, I also used one from this one here. I used this one here, Sending Love and Hugs. So this is another coordinating postcard. And then I used the butterflies from this collection, as well as the flowers, which I have here, which I've already taken out of the package, but you get so much and they're just beautiful. So let me go ahead and share with you guys the card. So actually, let me just put this away. So I think it came out so pretty. So this is the card that I'm going to be gifting to my sister. And I basically started out with just basil cardstock in a light pink, pale pink for my base. And then I layered that with this paper right here, and it's super pretty with gold foiling. And then after that I layered it with this paper. Lots of layers on this one, you guys. I also used just gold foil paper to put a border on this. This is one of the postcards, and my sister likes wine, so that's why I decided to go ahead and use this. And I used the stickers from the sticker book, the butterflies. I have one here and one that's kind of peeking out right here, and the flowers, and I put one of the centers from Michaels, and also from Michaels, these little gems that I just randomly placed. And then this is actually a little shaker tag, and I lined it. This is actually a, oh, I forgot, it's like a craft tag that I have that's super sturdy, and I can't remember if it's Prima or not. I think it might be. And then I just used this pretty paper to cover that. I put an eyelet there, and then this is a sticker that I just put on cardstock, and then I fussy cut it just to give it some sturdiness. And then I overlaid another sticker, this smile, And that's all from the sticker book. Now this here is actually a little shaker. It's a pre-made shaker that I had bought from, I think it was TJ Maxx, and it was on clearance. And let me just share that with you guys. It's this one right here. I bought it, I think it was early this year, but it was only $1, you guys. Oh, Home Goods. Yeah, TJ Maxx. So I used this one right here. I thought it was so cute because I wasn't able to get like the wine stickers, like shaker stickers from this collection. They were just all gone. Everyone like took them. So anyway, yeah, that's the tag, and that just tucks in like that, and I just thought that was really cute. And then when you open it up, well, I have my message here, and then let me just show you. I put some more of the stickers here. That is from the sticker book, as well as the little butterflies. That's from the sticker book, and the alphas. And then in the back, I have another postcard that I sized. And then this piece here, I actually used my scallop scissors, but I cut that from the bottom of this one because it was a little long. And then I decided, just for symmetry, because there's flowers here, I thought I'd put flowers up here, and I scalloped the edge. And that's just layered on top of this gold and pink paper, and that's it. And I think it came out so beautiful, like, it's just beautiful. I love it. I love the way it came out and all the layers. And hopefully she likes it. So I shared a card for my sister with you guys, and I thought I'd go ahead and make a nice envelope. I do have washi tape from Michael's that have the wine glasses right here, and I thought, you know, let me go ahead and use that to decorate. So let's see what else. I have florals here. What else would go? I think this might go. Oh, and look, this is from the, also from the Ooh La La collection, so I think this would also go well. So I just thought, and maybe a little green, so let's see. Florals, and what does this say? Glam. No, I don't want to do any glam. Maybe some gold. Is this too pink? Maybe not. Huh. How about that one? What else? That one too? Okay. Anyway, I'm just pulling out some washi tape, and let's see what we can come up with. So I think what I want to do is put some banners coming down, because I have this one washi tape here that is oriented vertically, which you don't get too many of those, so wouldn't that be fun to decorate with? So let's see here. very colorful. And I like that. I think that's cute. And then I'm going to put her name right here. And then just something over here. I don't know, like my crown or something. I need a crown. Yeah, I don't know what I did with my cut up crowns. Okay, but that is, I'm just going to maybe put a flower or a seal. I'm going to put a seal there. All right, guys. There is my decorated, envelope along with the card. I hope you guys like it. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.